Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. I am starting off this morning in my fro because I am about to wash my hair. Didn't get to do it last night because I decided to chill, so I'm gonna do it today, this morning. So I woke up this morning and I got my workout in. So in here is so ready to wash. Okay, I don't know how many of these females work out daily and wear extension. I don't understand it, especially during summer. Braids, yes, I understand, but sewing extension and workout in wigs, oh my god, I don't know how y'all do it. I can't. I have to wash my hair at least once a week or every 2 weeks because the sweating is real and I don't play to sweat when I work out. I remember yesterday morning babe saw me outside and babe say, "What, is rain falling out here? Why are you so wet?" I was soaked. And this morning, however, I didn't pick up the camera. I deliberately didn't pick up the camera because I was so in my zone. I had on headphones this morning. I was listening to music and I was just dancing and grooving and in my zone, and I felt so free and I was just working out. Though I could still just pick up the camera and turn it on, but when I remember, I just wanted to stay in that zone and not leave, so I did just that. But workout this morning, I promise you, was amazing. If you guys want to see some of my workout session and workout with me, go over to Body After Baby. The link is down in the description box, it's in the comment section, and it's at the heading that says channels. Click on it and you'll see the channel underneath that heading. With all that said, it's a brand new day and we're ready to take this day head on with positive vibes and positive energy only. The kids are around here. Babe headed to the office today. So here is my babies. Here are my babies. Who first? Say morning.
Morning.
What's that you have in your hand?
Jamaican book. And I'm going to say the Jamaican expression.
Okay, you're gonna say the Jamaican expression.
I'm going to choose one.
Alright, choose one and tell me what it says. Look good. Hurry. I can't stand here all morning. I have things to do. You find it? Giabli. Let me see. Oh, Giabli.
Yeah.
Let me see it.
No.
Let me see. That's okay. Hold the page. Don't lose it. Where is it? Touch it.
No. Yeah.
Giabli. Giabli. You know what Giabli means?
No.
Read what it says underneath it.
It means to show courtesy on the road to other drivers.
Exactly. To show courtesy on the road to other drivers. Mean when you're driving, you be nice. When it's someone turn to pass, you let them pass without being sad or upset about it.
Okay.
That's what Giabli mean, okay? Alright, good job. Alright.
French expression is you need to get.
Tell me what it is. You want to wait until Papa come later? You want to give it now?
Raisin.
Raisin? Haha, that means grape. Good job, Ty. Sarah is over there in her playpen while I work out and finish up working out, watching TV. Now I'm going to juice her orange juice and put her to nap in about 20 minutes. So yeah, that's what's happening around here. Hopefully you guys are having a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated, stay encouraged. And the line for today is, it doesn't matter what you want to do. If you feel like you will be successful in it, don't be afraid to start. Just start. Don't even pitch your ideas to someone else, because sometimes when you have an idea to do something. People encouraging you by their response. If you want to start a YouTube channel, do it. Because if you ask somebody, should I start a YouTube channel, they're gonna probably say, they're not probably going to give you the answer that you want. They're not gonna tell you, oh yes, go ahead. They'll probably tell you, you sure that's something you want to do? And then you will start having doubt. So take that jump. Do something you want to do for you without pitching your idea to anyone else. Love you guys. Enjoy the rest of today's vlog, and I'll see you guys around here shortly. It's juice time for somebody. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna have?
Juice?
No.
Yes.
No.
Juice.
You're having this.
Yes, grapes.
Boom. One fell.
Yes.
Where did it go? Here?
Oh, yes.
Sarah. Sarah chilling with Toya and Sophie. Sarah, here is the juice. Juice. Sarah, juice. She's stubborn, you see. Bye-bye, Sarah. Sarah, juice. Come for your juice. Say morning to the fave. Give the first pretty eyes. More? More, Sarah. Sarah. Yummy, yummy, more.
Yummy, 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 yummy.
Yummy, yummy. Good girl. She loves her fresh orange juice in the mornings. Orange juice or nothing. Come, baby, there's more. Sarah, more? Ah? Come. Princess. Lunchtime? Yes? He's picking out his sweet peppers. You're too funny. So look who finally washed their hair. My hair is all washed and I feel fresh. My hair finally got done and Sarah is still taking a nap. So as soon as she wakes up, I'm gonna feed her lunch and then get my lunch in. So the day is going awesome. Yes, Ty?
Today I can do the same thing that I did yesterday with this string.
What string?
The black string that
You want to do my hair again?
Yes, like that, and I can push your hair together.
Okay, after
And
lunch.
I'm tidy.
Okay, after lunch we'll talk about it. Okay? He loves doing my hair. Sit on the chair properly, please. Good job. Eat up all of it, okay? Okay? You crazy.
Come.
What?
I want to give you a piece. That's why I did that.
Alright, it's time to eat now. Okay, eat. Alright, I get all your kisses. Save some for later. Ty, one time is enough when I talk to you. Save some for later. Eat. Turn around and eat. Stop. Turn around and eat. I love you too. Eat. Later. Save some of the kisses for later. so busy trying to get some work done, and the time is just drifting by, drifting, and I haven't eaten lunch yet. So this is lunch for me today. Plate of fruits, and yeah, go back to work while I'm eating my fruits. Sit here.
The juice.
Right. See you, sir, Patty?
She bite it with her little teeth.
They're one tooth. She have a tooth, not a teeth. Teeth is when it's more than one.
Okay.
When it's one, it's called a tooth.
Okay.
You want more melon? Or you want grape? Melon first?
Yes, melon.
Come, take it.
Some grapes now.
Take it.
I want the biggest one.
You want the biggest one?
Yes. The biggest one is for the king. Mama, I see the other royal princess. King and who? Prince?
Hmm?
I see the other boy of that is
You have king and queen and prince and princess.
always prince. So me are the prince or king?
Prince. Papa is a king.
Okay. And we are the queen and her and Sarah princess.
Right.
But Mama, I want to be the chevalier.
Want to be the chevalier?
Yes, like that. Like that, I can take care of you.
Aww. You are taking care of Mama by loving Mama. That's enough. When you get big, older, and become an adult,
Yes.
then you'll be able to take care of Mama more. No, those are spoiled. Take one of these. Sarah loved the melon.
And she loves the TV.
She want more. You know it's nap time for you?
Oh, I didn't know that. When you wake up, there'll be snack
Alright,
time.
it's time for Kiwi. Alright. It was good having you and your brother help me eating my plate of lunch.
It was lunch.
It was my lunch.
So,
Alright, you guys, lunch was good. I'm going to now put Sarah down for a nap.
yes, and then it will be snack time. See you guys in snack time. And ring the bell. And don't forget to subscribe on Body After Baby. Bye.
Look at these two. Look at these two. Watch your sister finger on her face, Ty. Watch her finger on her face. Ty, not so loud. One time is enough. Oh, I'm so tired. These two are here playing while I'm trying to get some work done. Man, I'm so tired. Then I want to kiss her. She keep boxing in my way. But I don't know why you don't just kiss her and leave her alone. Die! She going to give you a slap. You wait. You love provoke her. You love provoke her. Watch how she going slap you and I'm not gonna beg for you. Sarah, bite him. Sarah, bite him. Tyler will leave her though. Tyler, leave her. Okay, finish now. So you don't kiss her and leave her alone. Leave her now.
I didn't give her a kiss.
So what you waiting on? You waiting for her to slap you? You watch. She gonna give you what you're looking for. You watch. Keep provoking her, man. Provoke her, peace. Exactly. Exactly, Sarah. So tell her why you don't kiss her and leave her alone. She gonna juke in your eye, you see you watch. Tell her she won't kiss you back, so just kiss her now. Sarah, run in. Run, Sarah, run. Run, Sarah, run. Run, Sarah. She wanna go in her car. Look at her want to go in her car. Watch out, watch out. Look at look at Sarah going in her car. And she gonna get in it.
I guess you're not
Look at her. Look at her getting in. Look at her getting in. You see her? She get in. She reach. That's her daily way of going. That's her daily way of going in her car. Vroom, vroom.
Vroom, 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 vroom.
She's sitting on the floor instead of the seat. She's so funny. Yeah, look at her. You see? She's a mess. You guys, oh my gosh, it's been such a long evening. The both kids are in bed. Sarah is down for the night, Tyler is down for the night, and it's only me. You wonder why? Because babe had gone to see one of his friends for a drink after work, so he's not home as yet, but he's on his way. So I am just now cooking. I didn't have to cook my usual time so that to get dinner ready for when he gets home. So I just finished cooking because I didn't feel hungry, so I took my jolly little time. So I made salmon, some corn, and some green beans, and I am going to eat and wait on babe to get here so he can eat after. So that's dinner just done, and I'm going to enjoy mine. So yeah, and that's what I've been up to. I've been just working, trying to get as much work done while babe was away. So I just put a break on work for today, and I'm just gonna relax and breathe a bit. I'm just gonna relax and breathe a bit and eat dinner. So yeah, you guys, that's what's up. So there goes my plates.